Did you know that one of the best things to set on your desk at work or on the table beside your chair at night is a bottle of water? Not only will sipping the ice-cold liquid keep your body hydrated, it can also help you shed unwanted pounds. Perhaps one of the most misunderstood pieces of information about water is regarding the recommended amount of water to be consumed each day. The reason for the confusion stems from the fact that men and women consume a good deal of water in the foods that they eat, which makes figuring a truly useful amount of water to drink difficult. So, how many glasses of water should you drink each day? Today, the experts suggest that women should consume approximately 91 ounces, and men should take in about 125 ounces. That would work out to be more than 15 cups of water for the male population, but the recommended total also includes water from foods consumed. This amount also fluctuates with age, weight, health, and even the weather. But, on average, a person can lose as many as 80 ounces of water or more each day as a result of normal bodily processes. The next question to be asked is, about how much water does the average person get from food? Though the answer does, obviously, vary from person to person, depending on dietary habits, the average comes in at about 20%. That would be about 3 cups of the men's recommended total intake and about 2.5 cups for the women. As the weather changes, the amount of needed hydration can vary substantially. In very hot and humid weather, a person can become dehydrated in just half an hour or less. For that reason, it is always recommended that a person break during workouts every 20 minutes for a drink of water. While some would argue that sports drinks are a better alternative while at the gym, that is not the case. Water has been proven to have the same hydration value with far fewer calories. If a person is unsure that he or she is getting enough water, there are 2 very obvious warning signs to look for. The first is thirst. It is a very obvious one, but also the way that the body dictates its need for a drink, so thirst should be treated as a very significant red flag. Another commonly noted sign of dehydration is a change in the color of a person's urine. If it begins to look like concentrated apple juice, then water intake should be increased. So, we know that it plays an important part in body function, but how can water help a person lose weight? The truth is that this helps in many ways. Ice-cold water requires that the body expend extra energy, calories, to warm it after ingestion. Because it contains no calories, that means that a glass of water can actually cause calorie burning. More importantly, however, is the fact that the body can mistake thirst for hunger. When water is consumed when a person feels hungry and before meals, it can actually reduce the amount of food needed to feel full. Finally, a properly hydrated body has been shown to have an improved metabolic rate. That means that it is better able to burn calories. Faster burning and less consumption equates to weight loss. To improve this further, the less than a ref equals http://www.laserstudioaustin.com/greater than Austin HCG diet less than / a greater than can be used in conjunction with proper hydration habits. Weight loss will become a much more realistic goal and hunger will be a less frequent visitor.